Hey folks, it's Serpent Trading here, back with a quick weekly review of the AA. As you can see, they've been in a major downtrend since mid 2017. This bottom trend line has actually broken down a few times and broke down in a pretty major way just this year. Yeah, I became interested in this stock simply from a tip on a bulletin board. I looked into it. I thought it was risky, but worth a punt because it was so undervalued. Anyway, we zoom into this week's candlestick. You can see it's had a good week, up quite strongly. There's still currently no news about any sort of bid forthcoming. They released ONS some weeks ago regarding possible bids from 4 possible bidders. That's why it's shot up so much here. But it's just been consolidating in the 30s just for the past few weeks. On the daily chart, nothing really more to say on the daily chart. The weekly chart says it all. I'm running quite a close stop on this one because I don't really like the fundamentals of the company. I think that they. Right, let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at some numbers. This is some of the key numbers. Wikipedia have it as a speculative contrarian stock. Market cap in the 200 million, 227.6 million. Enterprise value 2.9, and it's got very steady revenue actually. Revenues comes in at around the 900 million mark all the time. But if we look at some of the other key numbers, their net income is all over the place. And when I was doing a fair value calculation for it, trying to use a discount cash flow method, their free cash flow is all over the place, and it really distorts the numbers, along with their massive debt, which is the real hindrance on this company. You can see they got no cash on the books, that's to say. They have no short or long-term investments per se either. So yeah, this is not especially helpful. This fair value calculation, anywhere between minus 125 and £3, and obviously this is accounting for debt. This is disregarding debt. More useful is probably the Morningstar valuation of 52.9p, which isn't too bad as a target price, frankly. There has been a bit of short-term interest on this one over the years, over the past. This is where it started actually heading down in that downtrend. You can see there was a lot of short interest, and this lately it has blipped up a little bit. So obviously institutions aren't supremely confident that they are going to have a bid for this company. Other news is that in their last report, they did say they're looking at a fundraise to try and pay down some of that debt. But at this price, they're not going to be able to raise that much. And as soon as they confirm whether they are going to raise, then you're going to see this price really drop. So this isn't a company I am bullish on the long term, and I'm just in it just for a short term bounce to the top, and I am hoping that we get into that 50p level. But anything over 40p is a possible sell for me. As I say, running stop quite close, just under this green line, basically, just running it up. Close under the green line, I'm going to be well out of this stock. So hope that's helped you, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.